Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss about the exercises of chapter number 4 plants as food from your textbook. So, my dear students, today we are going to do the exercises in your textbook. So, without wasting time, take out your science book and your pencil, eraser, sharpener, and open page number 39. Students, before starting the exercises of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on our previous topics from this chapter. So students, let's discuss about it. Plants are very useful to us. Most of our food comes from plants. So students, in this chapter, you had learned that plants are very useful and most of our food comes from plants. Plants give us food, vegetables and fruits. So the first topic was vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables like roots, stem, leaves, flowers. So students, here example of different parts of plants we eat as vegetables are given here. The first one is roots, and example of roots are carrot, radish and turnip. The second one, stems that we eat, for example potato, ginger and sugarcane. The third one, the leaves that we eat. The example of leaves are spinach, lettuce and cabbage. The fourth one, flowers. Broccoli and cauliflower are the example of flowers that we eat. Now, fruits. So students, we eat the fruits of some plants, and fruits are juicy and fleshy parts of plant. For example, apple, orange, grapes, banana and mango. Our last topic was coffee, tea and sugar. So students, we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. For example, we get tea from tea leaves, coffee from coffee beans, sugar from sugar cane. And students, there was a homework assignment that I gave you in your PDF WhatsApp group. So I hope you had done or complete the assignment that I explained in your previous video. Now students, let's come to the exercises of this chapter. So first of all, we are going to do the objective type questions. So students, you know very well, in objective type questions there are few options. You have to choose the correct one. So let's begin. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. So students, here two options are given. In each of the filling the blanks, you have to choose the correct word and fill in the given blank. So let's read the first one. We get blank from plants. So students, here option are oil and milk. So students, what we get from plants, oil or milk? Yes, we get oil from plants. So here you have to fill OIL, oil in the given blank. Now students, let's come to the second one. We eat the root of. So here options are radish and cauliflower. So students, you know very well, radish is a root that we eat. So here you have to fill RADISH radish in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. Seeds of blank are pulses. Options are wheat and peas. So students, you know very well, wheat are cereals and peas are pulses. And as you know that pulses are found inside pods. So here the correct option is peas. So you have to write here PEAS, peas, in the given blank. Now the fourth one, rice is an example of. Here options are cereals and pulses. So as you know that rice and wheat are cereals. So here you have to fill CEREALS, cereals, because rice is an example of cereals. Now filling the blanks is completed. You have to fill this in your book. Now question number B. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. So students, you know very well, if the statement is true, then you have to write T, and if the statement is false, you have to write F. So let's do the question number B. The first one is, we eat only leaves of plants as vegetables. So students, as you know that we eat different parts of plants as vegetables like stem, root, flower, leaves. So students, this statement is not true. The statement is false. So you have to write F in front of this statement. Now let's come to the second one. We get tea and coffee from plants. Yes, this statement is true. So here you have to write T in front of this statement. The third one, we eat the stem of cauliflower as a vegetable. No, this statement is not true because cauliflower is a flower, not stem. And we eat flower of cauliflower, not stem of cauliflower. So this statement is false. So you have to write F in front of this statement. Now all of you turn the page. Let's come to the page number 40. Fourth one is, we also get spices from plants. So this statement is also true. So students, do you know what are spices? Yes, spices add flavor to food and they give pleasant smell to food. So this statement is true. So you have to write here T. Now the fifth statement is, wheat and rice are common pulses we eat. No, wheat and rice are cereals. So this statement is false. So you have to write F in front of this statement. Now let's move on to question number C. Choose the correct option. So students, you know very well, in this type of question there are 4 options are given and you have to choose the correct option. So the first one is, which of these food do we get from plants? So students, we get cereals and pulses, fruits and vegetables from plants. So all the option we get from plants. So here the correct option is option number D, all of these. So you have to tick the option number D. Now let's come to the question number 2. Which of these do we not get from plants? So students, let's read the option that is given below. Tea and coffee, oil and sugar, milk and coffee, and spices. So students, we get tea and coffee, oil and sugar, and spices from plants. But the option number C, milk and coffee, is given here, but we get milk from animals and coffee from plants. So here the answer will be only milk, not coffee. You have to cut the coffee. Only milk is the correct option for this question. Now let's come to the question number 3. Which of these are not cereals? Rice, wheat, maize, gram. So students, option number D, gram, is not cereals. They are pulses because they found inside pots. So you have to take the option number D, gram. Now let's come to the question number 4. Which of these plants are root vegetables? Sugarcane and potato. So these are the stem. Broccoli and cauliflower. These are flower. Carrot and beetroot are root. And spinach and cabbage are leaves. So students, here you have to tell which of these plants are root vegetables. So carrot and beetroot are root vegetables. So you have to tick the option number C. Now look at question number 5. Which of these plants are cereals? Option number A, maize and corn, rice and wheat, gram and peas, or both A and B. So students, option number A and B, both are cereals: maize, corn, rice and wheat. So here the correct option will be option number D, that is both A and B. So you have to take the option number D, both A and B. So my dear students, you have to do this in your book, and in our next video we will discuss about the hard words of this chapter and how to write this exercises in your notebook. So students, you have to complete question number A, B and C in your book, and you have to learn these exercises, and don't forget to read the chapter. You have to practice the hard words from this chapter. So meet you soon with our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.